Bashimash. What's up, everybody? Today,
Cayman, open up a path. Prepare nerves to move. Extracting black.
Commander!
20 seconds left.
Your turn now. Goodbye.
Let's go.
This can't be. They're here?
They are everywhere.
No, no. Where's Bonnie? Wait.
then capture it or should I kill it? I feel like capturing leads to the point where, because it's still alive, it can backfire on us. So let's kill it.
I'll finish this with my own hands to avenge my daughter.
No, you're bringing a good point. Capturing can lead to really bad
You'll
things.
never stop fighting.
I'll stop when they're all dead.
I'm not only one
Origin
to like.
has fallen, its denizens fractured. Recruit a former companion and liberate the planet. The cinders of hope rests in your hands.
Is all that matters.
Oh, sweet. You just read it for races. What else we got here?
May the blessing of the light illuminate.
First off, this is race.
Is all that matters.
Cayman, Aoku. Before I was seeing this, am I the only one that felt like at the beginning opening scenes of this game felt kind of out of place in certain scenes? Like, you know, can't be the only one, right? Like, I've seen it, right? Like, it was like, look kind of clumsy with it, out of place. Anyway, so this is Aoku, Cayman, I guess his race maybe, and this Cayman maybe his name. He's a tank.
May the blessing of the light illuminate our souls.
Dia. A Pyronia. So okay, so this is okay. So okay, Dia is her name. Her race is a Pyronia. Okay, I bet.
We are masters of our own fate.
Catherine.
We
Human.
study the universe with logic and reasoning.
Izan is each is a it'll try maybe. Okay, so he's basically a mage. I'm gonna be
We
human,
are
bro. Like,
masters of our own fate.
see this corner right here, the special units. They look like they got mechas and everything, bro. I'm going over here with Catherine. That's a lot. Not gonna lie.
After 10 years, your flying got even worse. I thought your time with the coalition government might have helped that.
And you didn't change one bit. Still talking with that viper's tongue. Fighting with the coalition government against the invasion was the best option at the time. But now the coalition only exists in name. The reason why I assembled all our remaining troops to save you is that we hope you will lead us and wipe out the Astra.
You saved the wrong guy. I'm just a criminal.
I know you've been hunting Astra for clues and have info about them. We can assemble a new research team to work out the movements of Astra.
You've been hanging out with the army for far too long. Have you forgotten I'm still a bounty hunter? What do you have to offer?
Back to old tricks, S? How about I sweeten the deal then?
Faster.
My goodness, you're alive! It is so wonderful to see you again. Please, allow me to conduct a thorough health check for you, so I can provide you with an optimal health plan.
These are the black market robots you modified illegally. You cooperate with us, we can return them.
Now there's the Catherine I know. But we're just breaking even here.
Thought you might say that. Here, Think of it as a celebration of our partnership.
Phase activation key. All right, Catherine, you got me.
I'm almost insulted, S. We know each other better than that. Starting from tomorrow, I will send people to help you rebuild your city.
Alright, so what I was saying before I got
Hello,
to
Master.
damn,
I'm so glad to see you again.
They didn't wipe your
I
memory?
interrupted again.
Fantastic. As you can see, the city's already overrun. We need a recovery plan to restore Ocelot City as quickly as possible.
Of course, Ocelot City has no government. You can start by relocating the underground bounty hunter base, which was built by Miss Huxley.
Good idea. I've been wanting to do that for a decade.
Let's start from the Bounty Hunter City Hall. It's under that space jazz bar. Follow my guidance and demolish the Nat King Cole pub, which is sitting atop your city hall.
I remember hearing about Nat King Cole from Weirdo. Let me think. Hold on, let me. It's from Boondocks. I remember that. It was the episode where they had beef with Magnificent when we first get introduced to him, and Granddad's sleeping in his bed, and he wakes up. He's like, the music's dumb loud. He's like, you need this some Nat King Cole, bro. Anyway, before I get interrupted again, bro, I was trying to say when I was really, like, so much more different. Now I downloaded it because I kind of wanted to play a game. So anything got me thinking, why not play Gundam after this game? I'm kind of feeling like it's some download. Like, it's so much. So, so disappointed. But it is what it is. And this game also reminds me of that other game I played with the mecha dinosaurs, bro. I want to get some of the companies that designed this, bro. Let's build. It might be. Got me twice, bro. Like that. Oh, I played that game too because of the mecha dinosaurs,
The
bro.
rescue team is about to exhaust the emergency food reserve they carry.
And then
We
get
can
finesse.
reclaim some land inside the city and build our own farm.
I'm sitting here constantly getting finesse, bro. Damn. Ugh. Alright, tell me about your day. How you been doing? How you been doing?
Now you can harvest the crop.
Cool. Actually, I kind of want to make my own AI. So I'm like always been a dream as a kid. So like, I started learning how to code. Like I've been learning Python. Cool. I've been learning Python. So like, it's supposed to be like the easiest, but like one like the best, like for beginners and everything. And like it also works pretty well. I like to learn. I'm gonna try to build my own AI. I mean, I'm gonna name it Calvin, bro. I'm gonna have like a British accent. Cause like Calvin is like it's like a really like classy name, right? Like Sebastian feels like it feels too basic. Feels like something you always or like what's the word? You always attach. It's a word like you always attach with like Britishness. But Calvin
What's
looks
going
so much
on?
better.
Alert! Unknown threat detected on the plaza above us. Risk level 3. Please take immediate action.
Say bird.
Unknown threat. Rude little bastards. Good. It should be a good warm-up exercise after being frozen for 10 years.
The gameplay different, at least. It's not. Damn. What a mech is that, bro? Oh my god, Toot is going like that, bro.
Ah, nuts! Get off my tail! Help! Is there anyone? Help!
This voice. Why does it sound so familiar?
They've been losing men like by the minute, bro.
4 heavily wounded and 3 killed.
It was like 9 of us here, bro.
Evolved so much.
Damn.
This was supposed to be a small combat in.
Don't kill me!
Just the voice acting on that,
I
bro.
don't wanna die!
Who is
It's supposed to be skirmish.
Rob 1!
Scanning. Rodent mutant from planet SR388. Wanted fugitive. Aggression level 2. Status. Extremely frightened.
know who this is.
Don't kill me! I don't want to die! Huh?
It's supposed to be a rocket raccoon, but like
What you looking at?
he's a rodent, right? So I feel like he's like a squirrel a little bit. So
Is
it's like a
this-
rocket squirrel.
Faye, what's it called again?
My data shows his name is Fluffy. You took on this bounty worth 200 credits.
Ah, yes, I remember now. Been 10 years and you survived, huh?
Get your hands off my head! I'm warning you, I could have handled it without you if y'all hadn't butted in. I would have. Huh?
You died, but you
What's
could've
that
handled it, bro.
smell?
Could have handled people who died. You could have handled this.
Try to come hug me, Mr. Fluffy.
Fake ass rocket raccoon.
Would you like some?
Meat, meat, meat!
Pause, pause,
Don't
pause,
come
bro.
any
Like,
closer,
damn.
please.
Bro, if you don't stop him.
Oh my god, it's been so many years since I last had such a large chunk of meat. Oh.
Master, I recommend letting Fluffy stay with us.
Can we kick him out instead?
Not happening. I will not become your captive again. Nuh-uh.
You know what? Just for
Well,
that,
we can do
just
this
leave.
another way.
What? What do you want? Point that gun somewhere else before. Ooh, ah!
Took way too much, bro.
A number of people were rescued
Put a
with
bullet
Fluffy
in his
and
head.
proposed repairing the infantry barracks to train volunteers into soldiers.
Do you have enough numbers for that?
Master, you have built an infantry barracks. You may now start training your soldiers.
Oh, it's still cool. No, before that, I want to see the other ones, bro. I want to see the other ones. Whatever. I want
The
to.
northern area of Ocelot City is already rebuilt. You may recover the electric generator for the city wall in that area to enhance its defense system.
Yeah, whatever. Cool.
Master, I have dispatched Rob 2 to inspect the old radar system in the northeast corner of the city.
Hey! It's in good condition, but the area has an Astra stronghold, much larger than the one we just cleared. It's too dangerous to deploy our soldiers now.
In that case, Master, I recommend building a Titan. With a Titan, we can greatly reduce our mission time and minimize losses during each
This is
mission.
where the mechas are at.
Now, please build a Titan following my instructions.
Actually, there was a good mecha game I played. If you haven't seen that gameplay, I forgot it was called, but it was good. It was good. I remember, like a chainsaw and everything. Like I can't remember the game name. I played one I think it was like one of the first few games I played. I actually got views. Let's see it.
You need a hero to lead the army on a marching Titan. Please select a hero. Different soldiers need to be led by different heroes so that your army can be at its best. If you activate automatic army replenishment, I will choose the best soldiers for you.
Nice, thanks, man. This must be like a Titan dock, bro. Why I see a ship? Does it transform into that? I still don't see it, bro.
Now we can recover the radar.
Boom. Radar complete.
We have successfully recovered the radar. Power it on to begin surveillance of enemy forces outside the city wall.
Boop. Nice. That's the radar, right? It's over here.
Master, there seems to be something waking up in the southwest.
Oh no.
No, it's Astra!
Hey, what?
Quickly, switch on the electric wire. Faye, send Rob 1 to survey the area. I have a hunch that the
hordes,
fall
bro,
of
like,
Ocelot
damn.
City has something to do with the danger lurking in that area.
Bunch of horses, pull
Sure,
up.
Master.
From to origin.
Good morning, Master.
Want to read that,
I sent
but
you the details of Rob 1's survey of our city's southwest last night.
Cool.
In the wreckage, we found traces of life. Our analysis revealed low-level bounty hunters and refugees trapped by Astra.
Understood. Prepare the men for extraction.
Where the mechas at, bro?
Rescue plan. Please follow my guidance during the rescue.
Bro, where the mechas at? Okay, finally read it now. Ocelot City used to be the Origin's largest bounty hunter trade center. We used the city as a base to conquer the entire Origin.
Master, the situation in the southwest is very unpredictable. With our current combat power, there might be danger.
What about the little tree rat we just saved? Bring him along and we might win.
Master, our system has not detected Mr. Fluffy's presence inside the city.
He's fast. Faye, is there any way we can bring him back quick?
I will analyze the Shadow Realm in our city and connect it with the old info-sharing system. Then we can bring Mr. Fluffy back to Ocelot City through the Shadow Realm.
I mean, I just thought about this. How did bro build this AI? Like, I don't know, like, you can be modified. I was talking first. Not disrespectful, bro. I swear. I was talking first. So my thing was, how did bro build her? Like I know, like, okay, like, he literally modified heroes and everything. I mean, robots and everything. But, like, yeah, expert. Yeah, expert. Cool.
Fine cone. I was already so far away. How come I'm back inside this shitty place?
Because I own you now, bro. What are you talking
Little
about?
tree rat, are you gonna run again?
Right says I put a bullet.
I know it was you! Ah, nuts. All right, I must have meat every day, or else.
Pause, bro.
Shut
Pause,
up if
please.
you want any meat at all.
Oh my god, bro. Listen, think about it out of context is crazy. Like, I get it and everything, but like, why you gotta say it like that?
Although we have 2 heroes, supporting an extra team is a high cost.
Fluffy's a hero, bro? He's not cool enough to be a hero, bro. It doesn't make
If
sense.
we repair the research center, we can conduct research to support 2 teams more efficiently.
Cool. Research center. Appeared. Development battle. The armies, right? The Titan. Okay, so my best guess is that the Titan is just like a ship. It doesn't look like it, bro. It did not look like a mecha, bro. Where the mecha's at? I'm getting impatient.
We can now send another hero to the southwest.
It's starting to look. It's starting like. It's like, you know, like. What is this?
Nuts! I just got back and you guys are putting me through all this already? What about your animal protection laws?
Bro, you're half robot. What are you talking about? You don't think you count as the animal anymore. You know, he's half animal. I guess that's the worst, right? Because, like, right? Cyborg is still half human, half robot. So he's half animal. So yeah, he's not human, but he's technically still animal. Okay, never mind. He's technically still animal. What are those? Wait, those mercs? They look like zombies.
Yes, it's me. You're safe now.
Dumb close to this place.
Yes. It's
Oh,
dangerous
okay.
here. Leave quickly.
What is it?
Damn, I had a joke.
There are
dude.
many more monsters in the
I had a
south.
joke.
It's a miracle that we have survived this long.
They occupied our old bounty hunter comm system, cutting off the entire city, leaving us stranded here, unable to.
Faye, send Rob 1 to take a look.
Yes, Master.
Yes, it's good to have you back. We're at your disposal whenever you need us.
Bad, bro. Good looks. Scratch my back, I scratch yours, bro. I promise you, I'll keep you protected. That's how we work here. Next one. What is
Master,
that?
Rob 1 has sent back survey results.
Not looking good.
Master, we now have enough soldiers to attack the Astral Hive and take back the bounty hunter comm system.
Great. Everything depends on this battle.
Took the clock out automatically, bro.
Yes, Master. Wish you great success.
Let's do this. Alright, let's respawn first. Ain't wrong though. G's on our side now. What's this over here? Food. What's this over here? What are you talking about, bro? I'm tapping on this. What was that? I tapped on it twice. Bro, no, not right now. I want to see the other ones, bro. Oh, this thing.
In your city, please use training accelerator to speed up training.
That irritated me so much, bro. Because I wanted to see
You
the
are
other
strong
ones.
enough to take on the Astral Hive. Strike now.
No, hold on. I wasn't done. I wasn't done. Let me go back. This game, bro. Bro, where the mechas at?
Blades out.
Damn. Hold on, let me see this up. Let me see this up.
Blades
So
out.
many heads just gone, bro. Where's our character at, bro? He just threw everybody out there and was like, you know what? I'm chill back in the crib. I'm gonna be over here with Faye. It's crazy. Bro's like, you know what? I'm chilling here with Faye, bro. You can have fun. Boop. Nice. Origin City. It's kind of a small city.
Congratulations. Every security risk inside the city has been resolved, but your close supervision over the city is required to maintain a high level of prosperity.
Don't worry.
City.
I'll do my best. In
Why's the
good
gun
times
still
or
out, bro?
bad.
Trying to shoot Faye? Why was the gun still out? He's ready to end Faye's life. For no reason. Supply search. Well, I wanted to read.
We
Whatever.
received a message from Mr. Z on our information sharing system. Do you want me to play it?
Yeah, bro.
Z? Is he still alive? Read me the message now.
Why were you frozen, bro?
Yes.
What happened there?
I
Oh, he's a
can't
criminal,
believe
that's
my
right.
eyes when I saw your signal. We all thought you died in prison. Things are worse than ever. You'd be naive to think Astra are your biggest threats. However, there's an abundance of resources. Just make sure you get there before everyone else.
I thought they burned back up, bro. I would have said
After
my.
hearing that you're still alive,
bro,
Denver immediately
speaking.
rushed to meet you. S. Stay alive so that we can meet in person.
Was I was
Keeping
reading, bro.
alive's about all we can do now. Faye, where are those scout drones?
In the research center, Master, we can activate them after the scout hangar is completed and have them explore areas around the city. We will plot our next course of action.
But okay, well, I was saying before they really interrupted me again, bro. I was saying I just solved my question after I realized after I answered it for myself. Thank you. Wasn't anything intriguing, but like I wanted to still finish it. You feel me?
The scouts are ready. You can now explore freely.
Cool. Some things out. Yeah, this looks exactly like the other game, bro. Sending me, keeping me depressed and everything, bro, because I was hoping for like so much more.
Master, intelligence received from outside the city. You can check it out at the intelligence agency.
I'm pretty sure this game probably came first because the other game was still in early access. Nice
You
round.
can upgrade your intelligence level by accomplishing intelligence tasks. Higher level for higher quality tasks with richer rewards. Here are the intelligence tasks you have received. These tasks will refresh every 8 hours.
Okay.
This shelter is hanging on by a thread. Please save the residents there immediately.
Bet.
I sense the light.
The Titan. Actually, so much bigger. Why are they so much bigger than everybody else, bro? That's so weird.
Shelters are widely
Wait, what's happened? Oh, I thought someone was calling me. Hold on.
friendly. They are very happy to help those who fight for Origin.
What just happened? Why did the audio cut out? Did they cut it themselves? Like, I felt like it's a little bit off in this game. You feel me? There was like, there's just certain parts that just like felt like they revamped it. Not revamped, but like they fixed like so many other things. Like certain words were changed, certain lines were just different. It felt weird. Yeah, how far are we from here? I'm cool, bro. We're back in the city. Commander, your discoveries has. Yo, bro, what's up with this? According to the, yeah, they wants to cut it out, or they added this in afterwards. And they just added in the game He just added in volume. Yeah, they might not volume, voice acting to it, bro. So I'm not, you can read yourself. You be stuttering all the time. But I think it's so far away. Nice. Whatever, moving on. Okay, what's in the mailbox, bro? From the system. Nice. What is this? Oslo City. Paris Hunters. Whatever. Maybe something else here. What else is here? Judging report? From bombing. Oh, it's from when we on the victory we sat. Okay. Items. Use. No, not yet, not yet. Oh, okay.
Feel my wrath.
That was kind of smooth. What mech is that, bro? Oh, these are smooth. There's no voice acting on this though. This game ended up being a hit and a miss, bro. Like that's cool, but like
Destiny.
oh, it does it afterwards, but there's no music or like no, I mean, bro, like hoping for Mecha, didn't see it. You need to go here, bro. It's dome deep. Wait, what just happened? Hold on, what's the gift of sharing? Oh, the calendar. Bro, swipe down. Damn, thank you. Moving on. Checklist. Just gifts and stuff, bro. Upgrade City Hall. 2. Actually, oh damn. Okay, how much do I need to be? How much longer do I need to be here? In prison? Where's that coming from? You're being paid for duties I trust you with. You know the importance of one's duty cannot be measured by their salary. The sooner you understand this, the better. That's it. Get ready to eat dirt. Hey, why are you running? Why are you running? Cool. You know, we're watching that too. That's cool. Claim. Boop.
We have
Nice.
constructed a hospital where seriously wounded army units can be treated. Those exceeding the hospital's capacity will die and be sent to the particle reassembler. You
Kind of way
can
to be
upgrade
people
your hospital
partially
to
immortal?
increase its capacity.
Something crazy.
Tap
You could
heal
die and
to
come
start
back, bro.
treating the wounded.
Thank you. Choose a name. First up, you all know it. Smoke block. Boop. Get one free. Somebody good. Come on, need somebody good. Forearms? His name is Pam Pam. That's a nice name. Pam Pam. Pam Pam. Pam Pam. Pam 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 Pam. Alright, we finished everything for chapter 2. Sword. Which I wanted to read it in fact. Dang it.
There's something wrong with Faye.
Mind your own business. My assistant is my responsibility.
Watch out, Master!
Faye
I
corrupted?
never thought I could see you out of prison alive.
Who?
Saren Ryer?
You abandoned Layla. I will make you relive all her pain.
Bro, what you mean?
What's wrong with you?
Don't harm her. Layla, what pain did she go through?
Bro, he was in jail.
I'll never tell you.
Bro, he was in jail. I think something more there, bro. But
Miss
I'm reading like the
Surinrai
lines
was
as well.
fainted. Her vitals are so weak that...
Take her to the hospital. Keep her alive till she coughs up info about Layla. Oh, enough. A scratch won't kill ya.
Saren isn't vicious. I thought she might relent if I acted dead.
Whatever. So, you still miss Layla?
Shh,
Don't mention that name. She's just a traitor who got what she deserved.
Oh, sweat.
Whatever you say.
Siren Ryer. You know what? I think I'm gonna end it right here. Like, we didn't get through a lot, but like, this thing, you feel me, bro? If you wanna play this game for yourself, you'll find the link down in the description below. Until next time.